In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the top 5 things to 3D print for Valentine's Day 2023. So, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so for number 5 on the list, we have this beautiful candle holder. And the print turned out really well. It didn't use any supports and none of them do on this list. It surprisingly held the candle very well and the flame did not burn the plastic at all. So it's definitely a great print. Okay, so number 4 on the list is for all those special people in your life, the book lovers. We all have one, I sure do. And this print is for them. It is a heart bookmark, which is surprisingly strong and easily holds your page. It's a really great print. The third print on the list is a lot more complicated and has a lot of moving parts. I do not really recommend it for beginners. It is a gear heart puzzle. Yes, you heard me right. It's this gear heart that when you turn it, it messes up and then you can keep turning it until it looks into a heart again. It's great for all those people who love to fidget and play with things. It looks a lot harder on film because I had to film it than it is actually to use. It is a joy to use and it is really simple. But it's not that easy to put together. I definitely recommend looking up a tutorial. The second last item on this list is a beautiful heart keychain. It works with almost any keyring since I got the biggest keyring in my house to see if it would fit and dangle on it, and it sure does. Are you ready for this last one? I bet you won't get it. Okay, here it is. It's a rose. Come on, you guys all knew that. You knew what it was going to be. It obviously was going to be a rose. But this rose is beautiful. I went for one of the more cartoonier roses, but if you want a real rose, then just buy one at the store. But the one pro about this rose is that it will never wilt, it'll never go bad, and it'll never lose its color. Well guys, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you're new here, then subscribe to my channel for all the updates. And until then, I'll see you guys later.